G'day, it's Janine here from Echidna Walkabout, and it's Spotted Pardalote week. Spotted Pardalotes are adorable tiny Australian bush birds. They have a powerful penetrating call that's bigger than they are. One day as we were walking through the Yuyangs, we came across this spotted pardalote looking very distressed. What was bothering him? Aha! There's an echidna! You know, spotted pardalotes nest in sand embankments in a little hollow in the ground. We think this spotted pardalote had a nest in the sand around this overturned tree. The echidna wouldn't deliberately hurt the eggs or the babies, but the little pardalote didn't know that. Pardalotes can be quite difficult to see sometimes. Can you see this tiny one moving around the top of the tree? I've done a slow-mo so you can see him a bit better. He looks just like a leaf. It's amazing when you think about how colourful he is, that he blends in so well. Something about the Australian light, I think, makes these colourful birds blend in beautifully. Stay tuned to our Facebook page, Twitter and YouTube all this week. All our information and videos comes from actual experiences in the wild. We've also got a blog about it.